Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one craft corner, which is again a cardboard craft, going to be ethnic and it's going to add more beauty to your home. Surely you all need to give it a try. It is quite simple. So for this wall decor, I am going to use cardboard of circle shape. So any shape, whichever you like, you can take. I always prefer circle shape because you can make beautiful designs out of it. So again, this is one parcel cardboard I have taken, which is exactly 30 centimeter diameter. Based on your requirement, how big the craft should be, you can select that size. So in this, I have made some simple floral design. Just make it very simple because we are going to use clay in this. So for this, I have taken Fevicryl molded. So this is a kind of A plus B, two compounds will be there. You need to mix it together. So this packet cost around 20 rupees. So I don't know, in this video you could able to see the design whatever I am making clearly or not. Just a simple floral designs I am going to make. So it is again of your choice. Make it more simpler so that whenever you are applying Fevicol and the clay, it will be easy for you. Now I'll show you how to prepare this molded. The detailed instruction is given at the back of the cover itself. So I'll open two packets are there, one in blue color and one in red color label packets are there. So open both the packets, just give it a mix. What you can do is just roll it with your hand and mix it evenly. You can just roll it like this, fold and then roll it again. Then it will be easy for the clay to get mixed. So once our molded is ready, we need to start. So one important point which I need to share with you all is like if you are fast in doing the craft, you can mix both A and B at one shot and you can start making the craft. If you are a beginner in using this clay, mix little portion of it because it gets dried faster and it will become difficult for you to roll it out and make it to the desired shape. So now our clay is ready, our cardboard and design also ready. Let's start now. So roll the clay into thin strips and you can use it for your craft. So before placing the clay or mold it in your craft, just apply Fevicol wherever the designs are and then paste in the clay. You can use clay tool if you have to adjust the consistency, but since I am just making it normal strips, I am using pencil to make it even. Since we have applied Fevicol and placing this molded, it will stay and it will stuck faster and it will get dried also faster. Similar way, the entire craft, wherever you made the design, you can just place this molded. So I think now you can see the design what I have made. So to give little bit additional touch, what I am doing is I am just making the mold it into small circles and I am placing it in small ball shape in the border. All the designs, patterns, everything is of your choice. Now what we are going to do, after applying all the clay, we are going to apply or paint white color. So I have taken white acrylic, just mix it with little bit of water and apply throughout. So if you give base white color and on top of it if you do the painting, the color will pop up nicely and it will look very beautiful. So once you apply the white color for the entire craft, then we can start giving some colors. So the selection of colors of your choice. So border I am giving brown. The reason is like I have mixed 3-4 colors, red, white and yellow, and brought this somewhat purplish brown color. So I am painting in the border. So the border goes brown. So the choice of colors, everything is like as per your wish. You can just paint it whatever color you want it. So here I have used metallic color so that the shininess will be there. Now completely it got dried. Before each and every step, ensure that you dry your craft completely. That is very, very important. Now I am using some small circle shaped mirrors. So this is going to give an additional ethnic style to your craft and it's going to look very beautiful. After sticking all the mirrors, this is how your craft looks like. It is very, very shining. So in the sides, I forgot to tell you that step. In the sides, I have placed some masking tape so that the cardboard borders will look even and the finishing will be good. So after sticking that masking tape only, I applied that brown color. So that step I couldn't capture in the video. So I'm just showing it to you now. So this craft is not heavy, it is very lightweight. So using the double side tape itself, you can place it in your wall. It is going to look more beautiful. So similar type of craft, I have done some 5 to 6 cardboards. Only this I have used metallic color. The remaining craft I have used the normal acrylic paint. You can play with the patterns. So it's going to look very, very beautiful. Hope you liked my video and you got some ideas for your creativity. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.